Hey everybody, now I'm gonna tell you how I improved my computer subject for my SSC CGL exams and how can you complete your computer chapters, because in the exams of SSC you don't have to read too much computer subject, you just have to qualify it, you don't have to make rank here, so you must need the basics and you have to read minimal, but yes, you have to do because it is too much important. Only computer can give you selection. If you are good in all subject and fail in computer, then of course you are not going to get any selection. So you have to give focus on computer also, because it is also important subject, but it doesn't mean that you start reading all the topics very carefully and too much. You don't have to read too much. So my name is Javeen and let's get start. Basically in computer I did these notes. You can see the notes. I revise it more than 5 times, and this is the notes of Radhika Ma'am's wrote, that is RBE. And before going ahead, I wanna tell you that you don't need to follow me just step by step same exactly what I did. I followed Radhika Ma'am's net. You can follow anybody's net which you can believe that yes it is okay. Just but please just follow one thing, not you have multiple thing. Just first decide which study material you're gonna choose and then just follow only one thing, because it's a very necessary to practice one thing more and more than don't practice but use too much study material and reading only once and then just keep aside. This is not okay. You have to practice a lot, and in the exam hall it doesn't mean that the same question is going to repeat. You have to make the questions in the exam hall. Like in 2025 exam, the question was very difficult and more than 50% students they failed in computer because of the question was they are very critical, and this is not directly coming from book and it was some critical question. It is complex type of asking by making long questions. So you have to understand the basics. You have to know the how you can eliminate the option, because option elimination techniques you have to know. You should know how to read the questions, and by reading the questions you can solve the answer, because in many cases the answer is available on the question. So basically you have to be present in the exam time. Your mind should be in the present moment. Don't panic too much in the exam hall, and it is so very necessary. So just see what I did. I just followed these notes. This is very basic notes, that is history of computer is given all these chapters, and it is freely available on Telegram. I download it from the Telegram. All input output devices are given, then shortcuts, MS Office, Word, Excel, everything is given. Then in the last, internet, I think, yes, I just did only one thing. It doesn't mean that I don't have any other sources. I was, but I prefer to stuck on one thing, because following too much thing is making thing only confusions. You can also these things. Okay, so all the best for your exams. Till then, stay motivated, believe in yourself, and just focus on the exam and keep studying. Till then, bye bye.